Go.
So for your third question, how do you personally define a successful project? Is it the price or price, the finished product, or the process?
So I define it as a successful project through its process and the finished product. It's because the process is in making crochet. So in making crochet, there are many process and need ka og patience ana para maka-create ka og crochet. And I define it as a successful project through the process kay through the process is kira ikat-kat lang ha. Wait lang. So making crochet need ka og process para maka-create ka og product. And through kuan sa naglibog mo. Wait lang guys.
Sige ra, go ra. Si Widjit na bahala ni.
Wait lang.
Sige, go.
So, how I define my product as a successful project or products.
Go.
So, giunsa na ko siya pag-define as a successful project. So, as I am making a crochet is dili siya sayon buhaton. There are many process and mahal pud siya. But I define it as a successful project through the process and its finished product because process even though lisod siya and pero sa diha nga paagi is mahappy ko through the process like making crochet and dili lang siya ingon nga kanang nag-define lang ta as sa price nga successful na siya kay maka-create ka og products and then di ba mahal gyud ang crochet. So actually dili ko ga define nga kanang ana siya like successful siya kay naka-create kog products nga crochet and then mahal siya kung ibaligya. So dili ko ga focus og ana and ga focus lang ko sa its finished product and its process kay sa akong pag-create ana is ma-happy ko and ma-excite ko kung ma-finish na ang product.